Meaning of honey.
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 Honey. Honey refers to a sweet, viscous and golden-colored liquid that is produced by bees from the nectar of flowers. It has been used in various cultures for its culinary and medicinal properties for centuries. Honey is made up of a complex mixture of sugars, water, enzymes, and other compounds that give it unique taste and health benefits. It is commonly used as a natural sweetener in foods and beverages, as well as a home remedy for sore throat, cough, and wound healing. Overall, honey is considered a delicious and nutritious food that has many benefits for human health.